Lindsey event is the most unforgiving discipline in alpine skiing. Why was the Tofane slope such a dangerous setting for this comeback? The Olympia delle Tofane course in Cortina suffered a torn anterior cruciate ligament in her left knee. Muscles and joints must resist these forces while maintaining perfect alignment. How can a small mistake become catastrophic, or a fraction indicate she caught part of the course set gravity beyond what she could recover at such? When a skier loses edge grip, the skis stop carving and begin sliding unpredictably. The body's momentum continues forward while balance respond, and once the center of mass moves too far outward, recovery becomes nearly impossible. Did muscle fatigue play a role in her inability to fight the forces? Muscle fatigue is always a factor in acceleration. Her downhill campaign instantly faded, and the possibility of continuing in the games disappeared in extreme sports. What does this moment reveal about the limits of human physiology and physical limitation? Alpines. Even champions cannot escape the reality that speed magnifies every weakness. How does this crash reflect Lindsey Vonn's career identity? This moment encapsulates Vonn's lifelong philosophy of greatness. Her comeback itself was proof of her refusal to accept boundaries, even when the cost was immense. How did the skiing world react to this event? The global skiing community responded with respect, emotion, and admiration. Many saw it not as a failure, but as the closing chapter of an era defined by courage, resilience, and relentless ambition. What will Lindsey Vonn's legacy be after Milan-Cortina? Her legacy will extend far beyond medals. She redefined what fearless technical skiing looks like, inspired generations of athletes, and showed that greatness is often measured not only by victories, but by the willingness to attempt the impossible. Finally, Lindsey Vonn's crash on the Tofane slope was more than an accident. It was the collision of human ambition with the harsh physics of alpine downhill racing. In just a few seconds, her Olympic dream ended, but her legacy as one of skiing's boldest and most determined champions became even more powerful. Her pursuit of perfection, even at the edge of physical limits, will continue to inspire future generations long after the finish line. If you found this story meaningful and want more deep Olympic and sports analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.